Hey everyone, this is Angus here, and today I'm going to give you a full review and an unboxing of these Ceppekyy Bluetooth headphones. So thank you to Chinamade for sending these to me to test and also review. I will put a link to their Amazon store in the description of this video. The unboxing itself actually gave off a really premium feel. It was black and white to start off with quite detailed packaging on the back. We also have some instructions in multiple languages. Personally, I don't really like these kind of instructions because they're small and they're hard to read. But moving on, we have the actual case. These headphones are really cool because this is not only a case, but it's a charging case. And it will connect to them magnetically. And as you can see, it will show you the battery percentage left in the case. Just taking a look at the earbuds, I think they are a great design. And also they give off a really premium feel with the black colours and the smooth material. I will talk later on in the video about the sound quality and also the functionality of it. So some people will be expecting to use these for sport, and I will be covering that as well. As you can see in the case, they fit in very easily, and a feature that I really love is that they don't fall out because they're held in magnetically. The case is also really smooth, and it's also very ergonomic as well. This could easily fit in a pocket, and it charges via a full-size USB port, or you can charge it with micro USB as well, which is handy. I think I would have preferred if it was USB-C, but this is 1400 milliamps, so this should charge relatively quickly. So left in the unboxing, we have one micro USB cable for charging, which is handy to have, and then we have some spare earbuds as well. So in terms of the unboxing, I would say it was actually very easy and quick. My first impressions were very good, and I have started using these headphones quite regularly for commuting to work, and I think the sound quality is good. So not only are these headphones tiny, but they have an IPX7 waterproof rating, which I think is going to be really good for people that want to use it for sport. Now, I have used these for running in a gym on a treadmill, and I did find that the smooth material meant that they were slightly slipping out my ears. I've put together a quick test to see just how waterproof these headphones really are. So the IPX7 rating does say that you can leave it in water for less than 30 minutes. I decided to leave it in for just a minute, but I did find that they were still working. So you might not have been able to hear it very well, but what I found from the testing is that these headphones definitely are waterproof and they performed well. So because these headphones are only £35 and I do think they perform very well for that price, I am going to give them 5 out of 5. I do really enjoy using these headphones, and I look forward to using them more in the future, and I would also be really interested in comparing them to other models. So there is my full review. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks very much for watching.